Subhash Chandra Bose. Is he Lok Sabha? Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Sir, handloom sector provides employment for nearly 2 crore people, and it is the second largest sector in the employment generation. Stands only next to the agriculture in our country, including my home state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. There are nearly 40 lakhs handlooms existing in our country. Handloom Act was passed in the year 1985. For protecting handloom weavers, initially 22 items were reserved for production, and later it has been reduced to hardly 11 items like saris, dhotis, towels, etc. I deeply regret to bring to your notice that powerlooms violated and producing items of handlooms reserved, and hence handloom weaving community is facing severe difficulty in their survival. Including that, GST gave a big blow as they had a taxing at 5%, and then automatically the production cost of handlooms is more than the powerlooms. Naturally, a consumer feels that the cost of handloom cloth is more expensive. Imposing GST is very ridiculous. I am very sorry to say that this is meaningless also. Sir, efforts to ensure adequate availability of yank yarn to handlooms. Yank yarn is main raw material for handlooms. For adequate availability of yank yarn to handlooms at reasonable prices, in the government have ordered imposing yank yarn's obligation on textile mills for producing 50% of their yarns intended for sale should be in the yank yarn form. Useful for handlooms, but this is the order is not strictly followed by mills, sir.
Voice again.
Weavers were, 1, unaware about market trends, 54%, lack of innovative designs, 76%, looms were not upgraded, 70%, required count of yarn not available in market, 20%. These are the problems faced by the hand weavers, sir. In this present situation, keeping in view of these troubles faced by hand weavers, our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu had taken some valuable initiatives for the welfare of weavers, sir. Sir, out of which,
please,
finance, 1 minute, sir. Out of which, financial assistance 194.46 crores to 81,024 eligible weavers families at the rate of 24,000
please conclude.
given to one weaver, sir. Released 103 crores to APCO to clear the long-standing bills of previous TDP government of hand weavers to cooperative society, sir. Released 107 crores to APCO.
Subhash Chandra Bose ji, you have to conclude.
Weaver society, sir. Sir, I am giving some suggestions, sir.
Thank you.
ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, కామెంట్, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.